Okay guys, Tuesday the 17th of October and we are on the FTSE 100. Just entered into a long position after this 8:10 a.m. pin bar. The market pressed down early morning into this around about 7520 zone. We saw some rejection at 8 a.m. A stronger bearish candle at 8:05. Again, we saw the rejection coming in, and then we got the pin bar at 8:10. I was happy to get into the long position. Now, the analysis for this morning was actually if we break down below this zone, there's the potential for the FTSE to make a stronger move down, at least into that S2 level, which is lining up with 7,500, and potentially a stronger correction. However, we've held in this zone this morning, given some bullish indications, so I was happy to get into that long position. I'm looking for the bounce higher. Now, as we come into today, one of the things that I want to go over is from a couple of weeks ago, I posted up that cautious trading video, and I heard from a few people after that. Invariably I hear from not only beginners, but people who have been trading for quite a while, and they aren't able to get that consistency going. Maybe they trade and they have periods where they make profit. So they'll have a good run of trades, and then maybe they'll hit a break-even period, just going wins and losses. Then they'll hit another bit of a profitability, but then something happens and the losses come in, and it decimates their account. Maybe emotional trading. They reach that point, something changes, and the losses come in a big way. It's very, very common, guys. And there's nothing wrong with approaching trading in a cautious way. Over the next few weeks, I am going to probably look at more cautious trading. I post these live trade videos up, just the trades that I take. The thing with most trading is when you first begin, you hear about entering your trades, holding your trade till you get to your profit target 1 to 3, whatever it may be. Usually 1 to 3, that's what you invariably hear. And if you don't get to that point, you just get stopped out. It's all over the trading forums and books and stuff. That's what I read when I first started. And it does work for lots of people, but for me, it didn't work, and it was actually doing a lot of damage. There's nothing wrong with, when you get into a trade, being more cautious. As I showed a couple of weeks ago, that's exactly what you can do. And I know I just post these videos up on a Tuesday, and it's the trades that I take. I show you how it works out one way or the other. I give you my analysis. But what I'm likely going to start doing is showing you more cautious trading. So it might mean that on a Tuesday with the trades, rather than just showing you one trade, there'll be 3 or 4 trades. But those 3 or 4 trades will be break-even trades, or they'll make a couple of points. So this is the managed point 7530 that I'm looking at. I'm just sort of watching this trade as it is running. But what I'm trying to do with posting these live trades is, rather than just showing you the trades, I'm trying to steer you clear of all the crap that I had to go through when I was learning. So I think, moving forward, I am going to start to show you that more cautious trading. I'm going to show you. I'm going to start basically showing you that you don't need to just get into trades and hold it blindly, looking for this strong move up. If you do get into a trade and it starts to show you that rejection, there's nothing wrong with expecting it to move against you and then coming out of the trade. So, not exactly decided how I'm going to do this yet, but over the next few weeks, I'm going to show you, rather than just holding trades for profit targets, I'm going to show you more cautious trading, and I'm going to show you ways to approach your trades that are more cautious, like I did 2 weeks ago. I'm going to do it for a more sustained period and just show you that, although it is a little bit more frustrating, it can be done. Okay guys, let's see how we get on with this trade anyway. Okay guys, so the market has reversed, it has came down, it has taken me out of that trade for a loss. We spiked up at 8:30. Now, it just didn't come into the area I was looking for, so I was happy to hold on to the trade. We got another little bullish candle popping up above what looked like was holding as a small level of resistance. However, then the rejection came straight into the market, and it has came down and taken me out. I've exited for a loss. So now for the rest of the day. Basically, if we're going to break this level, I am going to be looking for a shorting opportunity back down toward at least the 7,500 level and S3 down below. Okay, so that is everything for this week, guys. Well, the trade didn't work out as was planned. You know, that's how I do it with the Decisive trading videos. Any trade that I take on the Tuesday is the trade that I post up. I don't cherry pick the trade. You get to see exactly what it is that I do. Losses, all part of trading. With this one, there's a potential there to exit for the, or at break even, as it was just sitting hovering at this level. As I mentioned, as we got that close up above the two, or the little area that was acting as resistance, just gave me the confidence to hold on to it. And then unfortunately the market turned around and came down and took us out at a loss. Okay, so I hope all of you guys have a, or are having a good trading week. I'm James Orr, and thank you.